Welcome to our 5-minute presentation about CROWD1. Well, I would like to remind you about our disclaimer. We're not an investment company, we're not a trading company, we are not a cryptocurrency company, and you take full responsibility about your own financial situation. What is CROWD1 and what is CROWD1 doing? Most probably, I guess you've heard about Alibaba. I'm using Alibaba just to explain to you what we are doing. Uber, you've heard about this one. Booking.com, I guess as well. So what is the main goal of these three platforms? Exactly, they need customers. They try to get as many customers as they can, and how do they get their customers? For example, with Google AdWords, advertisement in TV, magazine, and billboards, so they spend a lot of money to get the customers. What are the customers doing? Customers using the Alibaba platform and buying product, which means the customer pays money. Customer ordering an Uber taxi, Uber will get the money. Customer ordering a hotel room and the hotel gets money. That's the simplest example which explains how does the system work and how does the business and CROWD1 works. What happens afterwards? The company delivers a product to the customer and Alibaba gets a small commission. The driver brings a customer from A to B. Uber gets a small commission. The customer gets a hotel room and Booking.com gets a small commission. This is how the business works and runs. It's simple and easy. Referring customer to the platforms. The point of this is that Alibaba doesn't own any of the companies which provide the products. Uber doesn't own any of the cars which take you from A to B. And Booking.com doesn't own any of the hotels they offer to their customers. So the basic point of what is happening here is just the referral of the customers to the product and service providers. Actually, these products and services is mostly what is done. So now we've come to CROWD1. What is CROWD1? What is said here is exactly the same. We have CROWD1. We're using the network industry. What are we doing? We're building our own crowd, so we are building a customer base. How do we do it? With the network marketing. Why? It's the best way to reach the people, and people can also make some money. What is happening over here? We're offering different products and services as well. So we have our own, a really fantastic and amazing travel agency. You can book your own hotels and vacations, and even get the best price guarantee. An amazing and outstanding Grit Hub. It's an education platform, so your extra education. As you know, basic education at the school makes basic money. If you want to make real money, you need some extra education and knowledge outside from the school. We have AffleGo. It's the platform where you can gamble. It's a real gaming platform, so if you like, you can play blackjack, baccarat, poker, roulette, and whatever you like and desire. We will get soon our Mixter platform for social media games. What is happening, of course, people will use this platform because if you are a member of our team, you will book your hotels only in your own office. You will use some education programs, you will play some games, you will use our platform online for some social media games. What is happening, of course, people spend money, and now it's a different the profit that is coming into CROWD1 goes not to the CROWD1. The profit goes back to what we call the CROWD1 rewards, where you get for free with our education program collecting the CROWD1 rewards like you collect miles or points. When you fly with an airline, you fly from A to B, you get some more miles, you use a cashback program, you get more points and you can redeem the points. Now the point is simple and I am happy to say that the money goes back to the customers. This is what we are doing with CROWD1. We are using the opportunity from a really great industry. Online products and services that we provide in the crowd, what we build. And the difference is that the benefits of the company go back to the customer. This is CROWD1.